device uses 4 different technologies. The first one is LED therapy, the second one is PDT, Photodynamic Therapy, the third one is LLLT, low level light therapy, and the last one is DPL, so deep penetrating light. PDT, as in photodynamic therapy, it works similar with photosynthesis in plants. So your skin is actually absorbs light to produce more collagen and elastin and regenerate your skin cells as well. And the other 2 technologies that I'm going to mention is the LLLT, low level light therapy. So it's really nice, soothe and relax your muscles as well. And the other one is the DPL. So it's deep penetrating light. It's to make the light penetrate deeper to the layer of your skin. This device comes with 7 different colors, but now I'm going to tell you about the 4 main colors, which is red, blue, green and yellow. So the red color is really good for anti-aging, for regenerating your skin. Blue light is to balance your sebum or oil production to mattify the skin as well. And the green button here, the green light, this one is really good for hyperpigmentation. And the yellow button, if you have sensitive skin, is really good for erythema or redness. To use this device, make sure you clean your face, double clean your face. You can go under the device and you can use it for your body as well. It's really good for red vein and to relax the muscles. So if you want to use it for the face, just turn on the button and pick any color that you would like. Let's say you want to go red color. You can go under the red color for 15 to 20 minutes if you want to use it every day. And if you want to use it about 2 or 3 times per week, you can go up to 45 minutes. This PDT device comes with the goggles. So it's to protect your eyes if you have sensitive eyes, but we always recommend you to use goggles. If you think the goggles are not comfortable for you, you can put some cotton pads and put the goggle on the top of it. This PDT device benefits for fine lines, wrinkles, stretch marks, acne scars, acne, hyperpigmentation as well. It's really good for anti-aging. I would definitely recommend this device for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you next time.